Hi, this is the Nomadics, and this might be your next trip to Taiwan. We left Bulacan around 3 p.m. and arrived early at Naiya for our 11:35 p.m. flight. Sobrang aga. We arrived in Terminal 3 before 5 p.m. Before arriving at Naiya, we already checked in online. So diretso na kami sa Cebu Pacific self-service kiosk to get our boarding passes. Isa lang yung print ng kiosk kaya pumila kami sa baggage counter to get the other boarding pass and to drop also our bags. We had around 6 hours to spare and yes, sobrang aga talaga namin. After an hour and 15 minutes immigration and security check done, nakangiti na kami. It was 6:15 p.m. Finally, pwede na magutom. So we ate at Blue Smith Coffee and Kitchen, classic spaghetti and Spanish latte. Chef kiss. Boarding was called around 10:40 p.m. So tumambay kami ng about 5 hours near the gate. And quick tip, boarding gates can change anytime. So stay updated 30 to 60 minutes before boarding. Na lang. We landed at Taoyuan International Airport around 2 a.m. Medyo nakakahilo yung flight. And personally, Bonamin really helps. And maybe some Katingko. Well, Eloy was okay since sanay na siya sa biyahe. Pagpasok namin, we went through a security and immigration in Taiwan. And it was very quick. No Q&A compared to leaving the country. After collecting our bags, we were officially free to explore. We withdrew cash at Bank of Taiwan inside the airport using our Maribank card with zero fees. We also need to claim our Easy card via Klook, but since it opens at 4:30 a.m., we had to wait a bit. Hi guys. We're here in Taiwan.
Hi guys. Kinda cold na.
But it's today here in Taipei.
Guys.
We can push.
So what's the another line? Maybe the other one is same and the other one is same. Morning guys. So ito yung booth ng Klook dito sa Taoyuan International Airport. 4:30 a.m. yung opening niya. Hi guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa booth ng Klook dahil nag-book kami ng Taiwan Easy Card. Bali, yun yung pamibili namin sa mga convenience store and also sa transportation namin. Sa buses and what else? Saan man pwedeng gamitin. Easy Card. It's masterpieces from National Gallery.
What can you say about the 7-Eleven in Taiwan?
um, more options sa food, especially yung meals nila. Masarap yung meals.
Aha.
Siguro dahil Chinese, din siya, cuisine. Compare dito sa 7-Eleven dito sa atin, more on Filipino food, like sisig and something. But there, masarap. It's like yung mga quality meals sa airlines. Mga ganun. Mayroong nabibiling ganun. Yun,
Sobrang
masarap.
sarap. Thank you. After a series of train transfers from Taoyuan Airport MRT to Taoyuan HSR Station, then to Sinwuri HSR Station, and finally to Taichung Railway Station, ang dami 'di ba? First day pa lang, grabe na yung lito namin. But surprisingly, Taiwan's transportation system is very organized. Kaya kahit nalilito, manageable pa rin kasi gumamit kami ng Google Maps. Sobrang useful niya dito, promise. Dito nyo mas ma-appreciate yung Google Maps.
Nakakamiss din pala yung feeling na naghahabol ng train. And now, we're here in Taichung, isang province sa Taiwan. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit dito kami nag-book ng hotel.
We're gonna go!
After checking in at the hotel around 8:30 a.m., we realized we couldn't push through with our original plan to visit Sun Moon Lake. Supposedly, mag-gondola, mag-cruise, at mag-bike sana kami doon, but plans changed. Nag-rest at sleep kasi muna kami until 12 noon. Walang rest time sa itinerary namin, Diyos ko. Sobrang pagod na namin. At dahil DIY travel, we've decided to reroute to Haofeng Bikeway.
We grabbed some snacks from 7-Eleven sa Holi malapit sa Hofing Bikeway, and honestly, ang daming options dito. Sobrang abundant. Tara, bike na tayo.
This one heavy, little heavy. It's inside the tunnel or bridge. 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. to the course. Yeah, you can try that first.
Sobrang enjoy! Para tayong HSR ah! Oh my God! Napapaliw na siya. Punta po dun sa... Hindi! Pwede tayo naman...
Welcome to Hofeng Bikeway, one of the most relaxing bike trails in Taiwan. We rented electric bikes and honestly, it feel like being kids again. Walang pagod, just pure fun. Kasi electric bikes. The path is smooth, surrounded by greenery, and every turn feels like a new view. Para kang nasa Japan. This is the kind of place where you don't rush, you just ride and enjoy. If you're going to Taiwan, don't skip Hofeng Bikeway. I repeat, don't skip.
If you're in Taichung, one stop we didn't want to miss was Chun Shui Town, the birthplace of boba tea, and honestly deserves the hype. After biking, their beef, noodles, and classic milk tea just felt right. Parang comfort food in the best way. Even the chicken had a distinct Taiwanese flavor. Simple but memorable. Nakakamiss. After that, we made our way to Miyahara. The place itself already feels like an experience. Parang Harry Potter library. Super aesthetic. We tried their famous ice cream. It was okay lang for us, but the cheesecake, that one stood out. Definitely worth trying.
Thank you so much, madam. Okay. Ano ba? Curable ba niya?
Aha. Maganda.
What more?
We stayed at Green Tea Way Hotel right in the Central District. Super convenient, walking distance lang to spots like Miyahara and even the train station. The room was very decent, pwede kahit sa maarte. May smart toilet and the shampoo and body wash felt premium. You can tell it was really chosen to feel a bit more special. Everything was clean, well prepared, and surprisingly cozy. The bed, the space, parang nasa bahay lang kami sa Bulacan. It was honestly an unexpected treat. And just like that, that's the end of our first day in Taiwan. Simple, a little unplanned, but memorable. This is the Nomadics, and we'll see you.
Bye!
Bye!